I'm putting up some vacuum sensors today in the woods. And when I left the house, it was sunny, gorgeous, 60 degrees. We have a storm front coming through, but I didn't think it was supposed to start till later, so I thought I had a couple hours. But apparently I was wrong, so it is raining. Actually, it's downpouring pretty much, and it was just thundering and lightning, and I hate being in the woods when it's thundering and lightning. But here we are, and I was always almost all the way to the top, so I'm just keeping going. Not a good choice on my part.